Welcome back, guys. We're back in the shop. We're going to do an oil change on a 2005 GMC Canyon. This thing's got just under 200,000 miles on it. It was a fleet truck. We're going to do a quick oil change on it. And then we're also going to do a little shop tour slash just update on what else we're doing around the shop. So let's jump into this. Parts that we're going to need to do the oil change, and first you're going to need 15 millimeter 3/8 drive ratchet, some way to take the oil filter off. Work smarter, not harder. And of course you need oil. That'll work. High quality OEM filter. And finally, a old crappy drain pan. Okay, we're underneath the truck, and as you can see, this truck for 200,000 miles, everything is still dry, not any leaks whatsoever, which is awesome. As you can see, here's the drain. Make sure lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Let's break her loose. Make sure you hit the pan. And always remember, guys, make sure your engine is warm. You don't want it to be hot because then you're going to burn your fingers. But nice and warm so it drains. And a quick easy tip too is when you're draining this, just about when it's about done, you can open up the fill area on the valve cover, and that'll help drain a little quicker and get the rest. Oop, I want to get that. And it flows a little better. Okay, once you drain the engine, there's the oil filter, and make sure your pan is underneath it. Luckily, hopefully you can see this thing's all busted on my truck, so I can get to it without removing anything whatsoever. So we'll have to get my little tool in there and take it off. And to finish this up, add your oil. They say this engine takes about 6 quarts, so we're going to put 5 in, fire it up, check the level, and put the rest in. What we're running this time is a 5W30 high mileage synthetic blend. Actually, it was on sale at Walmart, so 200,000 mile truck. This one passes all the certifications, so we should be good to go. Let's fire this puppy up, check it out. The GMC is done. It's got 200,000 miles on it. We're going to change the oil another 4,000, 5,000 miles. I switched to a synthetic blend on this oil change. The last one I had was Pennzoil High Mileage, with just conventional oil. I'm actually going to do a comparison on a synthetic blend versus a conventional, and then the next oil change I'm going to go to like a Mobil 1 full synthetic. and do another comparison. I just want to see what it, I got quick, easy test. I just want to look at it and see what it does in this cold weather. So either way, look forward to that. But as you can see, the Mustang, the 97 GT, we are about ready to pull the engine. Got the wiring off. It's kind of just all over the place, but most of the stuff's disconnected. I got a couple extra parts, drive shaft, the mounts and stuff, but a couple little things here. But we are going to really start jumping into this, pulling the engine out, and then when the weather gets warmer, which isn't going to be for a little bit, we are going to be painting it. So pretty excited about that. I'm actually going to probably build a little paint booth, and we'll see how that works out. I don't know how. I have no idea. I'm just going to jump into it. I'm not doing the PVC version that a lot of people do the cheap way. This is still going to be cheap. I actually think this might be cheaper, so stay tuned. But either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Quick little oil change on the old 200,000 mile Canyon. She's a beaut. There's ice. She's got a little bit of rust and stuff, but awesome truck. Love this thing. A little small for me. I'd rather have a little bit bigger, but perfect truck. Either way, guys, hope to catch you on the next one. Stay tuned. All right, see ya.